Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to hide a post on Facebook before you've posted it. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access the platform. Step 2. Tap on what's on your mind to create a new post. Step 3. Below your name, locate the audience selector, usually represented by an icon or text. Step 4. Select Only Me from the audience options to set the post visibility to private, visible only to you. Step 5. Once you have chosen Only Me, tap Done to confirm the audience selection. Step 6. Complete the process by tapping Post to share the post that is now hidden from others. By following these steps, you can proactively control the visibility of your posts on Facebook before sharing them with your selected audience. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to hide a post on Facebook before posting it. Enjoy the flexibility and privacy control over your posts by setting the audience to Only Me before sharing, ensuring your content remains private until you decide otherwise.